I'm Peter. Welcome to PD Tech for another professional guide.
And I'm Duan. Stop spending your evenings on paperwork. PD Tech is here to help you get your weekends back.
Watch this video to learn how to customize your email settings and create email templates in Xero. Click your organization name drop-down. Select Settings. Then select Email Settings. First, tailor how emails are sent from Xero. The email address is the address your customers will reply to when they receive an invoice or statement from Xero. By default, it's the email address of the logged-in user. Click Edit. Then, add email address to change the details for emails sent. For example, to receive responses to a central email address so they can be seen by multiple users, like the finance team, enter the updated reply to email address and email name. Then, select Add Email to apply the change. Email templates are a useful tool if you frequently email documents from Xero. Click Edit to view a list of the default email templates set up in Xero. Xero has 8 standard templates for documents, including credit notes, quotes, purchase order, invoices, and statement. Customize these to include specific wording, payment instructions, or a personalized message. Click an existing template to edit it. Let's edit the default sales invoice template. You can change the name and message of the template by clicking each field and making your edits. The name is for your internal reference only. Untick Include action to online invoice and detail summary. If you don't want to send your customers a link to the online invoice and a detailed summary when you invoice them, we recommend keeping this selected to make full use of online invoices in Xero. The standard template contains placeholders to add specific data for each invoice you send, to save time and reduce errors. You can use the Insert Placeholder drop-down to add other fields directly into your subject line and message, if needed. Let's add our contact's first name to the message. We'll just make a few changes to the text to formalize the email a little. Click Save to update any changes you've made to the email template. To add a new custom template, click the Add Email Template and draft your template to suit your needs. Click Save to create your new email template. Now you're ready to customize default email templates in Xero, or continue to add and personalize your own.